YouTube. My name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. So it is my favorite time of the year right now because it is mango season. Mango is honestly one of my absolute favorite fruits. Like, I think it is number one on my list. I love mangoes. So today I thought I'd make a really fun video showing you guys 3 quick, fun and easy mango recipes. What we're going to be doing is making 1 savory mango dish, 1 sweet mango dish and 1 mango drink. Now all these recipes are super easy and they're really fun to make, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, then please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media to be updated with my video upload schedule. And now, let's get started. The first thing we're going to be making today is a tangy and colorful mango salsa.
What you'll need for this recipe is some chopped up mango, red bell peppers, onions, coriander, green chilies, 1 lime and some salt. Then all you have to do is add all your ingredients into a bowl. You know, the mangoes, the bell peppers, onions, coriander, lime, salt, everything. Just toss it into a bowl and mix. It's literally that simple. It is so easy to make, yet so delicious. I mean, just look at all these colors.
And now to taste the mango salsa. You can serve the salsa like you would any other salsa, so you can have it with like tortilla chips or like nachos. Or if you're non-vegetarian, then you can grill some chicken or prawns and also have this as like a side dish. It tastes divine. Or you can eat it as is because it is really delicious, even if you just have it like a salad. But today I'm gonna have it with tortilla chips because that's how I like eating it. That is delicious. That is so good. The mango is extremely sweet. The bell peppers and chilies like give it heat, so it gives a sort of like punch to it, and the onions give it like that familiar salsa feel. So it's really good. It's also very refreshing, especially in this heat, and it is delicious. The second thing we're making today is a really refreshing mango and lime drink.
We need to start this recipe by making a syrup, and for that you need half a cup of raw sugar. Just measure it out and pour it into a saucepan. Then add half a cup of water. Turn on the gas to let the sugar start dissolving in the water. Now what we're going to do is infuse this syrup with some cardamom. Take 5 cardamom pods and crush them lightly and then add them into the sugar and water. Then add about half a cup of mint leaves and 1 teaspoon of lime zest. And then just let the syrup simmer for about 10 minutes. Then what you need to do is add about 1.5 cup of mangoes into a mixer. And then add the juice of 2 limes. And then mix it all together until it forms a puree. You might have to add a little bit of water to help with this. Now all you have to do is strain the mint syrup into the mango puree and mix it together. Mix it really well until the mango puree and the syrup are completely combined, and that's it. Your concentrate is ready, and I'll show you the next steps on how to make the drink.
And now to taste the mango drink. All I did was that I filled half of the glass with the mango and the syrup concentrate thing, and then I topped it up with water and I added 3 ice cubes to it. You can also use soda to top it up because honestly soda will make it like a little bit more fizzy and more refreshing. But I don't have soda right now as I'm filming this, so I used water instead. But even using water makes it refreshing and yummy. So that is so refreshing. The taste of like the mint and the cardamom just sort of seeps through the tanginess of the lime and mango, and it's just like the perfect combination of flavors. And the last thing we're making today is a mango pudding, but with like an Indian touch to it.
For this, we will need some vanilla ice cream that has been completely melted, rasgulla, and of course the mangoes. The first thing you want to do is completely remove the rust from the rasgulla. Then take the serving container of your choice. I like to use this wine glass because I think it makes for the perfect portion size, and fill it with about 5 tablespoons of the melted vanilla ice cream. Now break up the rasgulla into small pieces and add it into the vanilla ice cream. Because you've completely removed the rust from the rasgulla, these pieces will soak up the vanilla ice cream as the pudding sets. And then of course the last step is to top this up with your mango. And that is it. It is as simple as that. And now all you have to do is leave it in the freezer for about 1 hour to set.
Again, that is really good. What I like about the dessert a lot is that even though the vanilla ice cream and the rasgulla is like really sweet, the tanginess of the mango sort of cuts the sweetness and gives it like this totally like balanced flavor. Also, it's really cool when you get like a bit of rasgulla along with your ice cream and mango. If you're a mango lover, then you will absolutely love this dessert. So yeah, that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share some love down in the comments. Also, if you make any of these dishes, then do post a picture on your social media and remember to tag me. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. Bye!